So first question, 4.8 divided by 3. So how do we divide a decimal number with a whole number? So any ideas how do we do that? Kids speak up. Any ideas how do we do that?
Sir, we convert it into fraction, then do reciprocal.
We convert it into fractions, then do the reciprocal is no beta. We can divide normally. Let's see. Let me show you. So let's see. This is my question. 4.8 divided by 3. So first, can you divide 4 with 3? Yes. So 3 ones are 3. My remainder will be 1. Correct? Now, as soon as you get a decimal point in the dividend, you will put a decimal point in the quotient. I will repeat, as soon as I get a decimal point in the specs of Aganya, we will put a decimal point in the quotient. As soon as we get a decimal point in the dividend, we will put a decimal point in the quotient also. So then what will happen? 8 will fall down. So I have already put a decimal point. So 3 6 are 18. So my question is solved. Understood? Understood everyone? Yes, Tani Bani, you raised your hand. You want to say something?
Yes, sir. What happens if the decimal is smaller than the whole number?
Very good question, but we will come to that after a while. Okay? In today's session only, but I will come. So should I give one more example or you want to solve it yourself? Tell me example or solve it yourself.
Solve it.
Solve it.
Solve it. Solve it.
So, okay. Solve it then. All right. So everyone has done this correctly. So 6 sevens are 42. 1 will be my remainder. This decimal point will be carried over in the quotient. So 6 twos are 12 and it is solved. So my answer is 7.2. Good. Now we can do one more. Solve it. Hello, human.
Hello, sir.
What happened to you?
Sir, I am thinking of puking soon.
You are thinking of?
No, I am not thinking. My body is thinking to puke soon.
Can you unmute so that we all will come to know when the D moment comes?
Sir, why do you need to know?
So because it's the rule of the class, na, if camera is off, mic should be on. So Major, what's my answer? Because if you don't answer that time, so you man, you joined late. Look here, beta, we are doing division of decimal numbers. So first, I will divide normally. 9 ones are 9. 4 will be the remainder. Prime Veda, you also pay attention. So 9 fours are 36. So my 6 will be the remainder. Now, as soon as I get a remainder in my dividend, I will put as soon as I get a decimal in my dividend, I will put a decimal in my quotient. As soon as I get a decimal in my dividend, I will put a decimal in my quotient. So any major understood? Veda and human understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, I
Now
didn't take zero before three. I wrote
then, okay, then 60 will come. So 9 sevens are 9 6 are 54, and 3 will fall down. 9 sevens are 63. Any doubts? Now let me
no,
show
sir.
you when we are not able to divide. Let me show you when we are not able to divide. So it is 1.44 divided by 6. So now can you divide 1 with 6? Yes or no? Yes or no,
No,
guys?
sir. No, sir.
I got
No,
a
sir.
decimal point, so I will get a decimal point here. Can you divide 1 and 4 with 6? Yes. So 6 twos are
Yes.
12. I will get 2 here and 4 will fall down. And 6 fours are 24. So my quotient will be 0.24. Once again, I'll repeat, because I was not able to divide 1, I got a decimal point, so I put a decimal point in my quotient also. Then 1 and 4 I could divide. 6 twos are 12. 2 was the remainder. 4 fell down. 6 fours are 24. Understood, everyone? Now one more example. First, I think I'll give you a question to solve.
Sir, I got disconnected.
You are still connected, don't worry. So solve this, everyone. Prime Veda is Tani studying.
Yes, sir.
Which subject is he studying?
Sir, I don't know.
Right, everyone gave the answer also, and that too correct. Except for Tani Bani, who is sleeping. So guys, I cannot divide 2 and I got a decimal point at the start. So I will have to put a decimal point in my quotient also. So 25 ones are 25. Then 0, 7 will fall down. Then can you divide this 7? The answer is no. So I will put a 0. 5 will fall down. So 25 threes are 75. Got it, everyone? Now next question. Suppose that my question is 0.144 divided by 6. Now I got a decimal point at the start, so I will get a decimal point at the start only. Now guys, after the decimal point also, can I divide this one? Can I divide this one?
No.
Then I will have to put a 0 in the quotient. After the decimal point, if I am not able to divide a digit, so I have to put a 0 in the quotient. Everyone understood this? So then there is 14, 6 twos are 12, 2 will be the remainder, 4 will fall down, 6 fours are 24. Understood, kids? So next question you will do is 0.768 divide by 16. Do it. I hope everyone has noted down the question. I'm changing screens for a minute. Princess, you have a glittery wall made of gold at your back.
No, sir.
But I know it's gold.
No, sir.
I know, I know. Major, who made the painting which is at your back?
Sir, I bought it from Bali.
Bali, you bought it from Bali.
Yes, sir.
See, guys, I have this car. One of my students gifted this to me.
So you told us.
So you told us in the last class.
But I want to remind you every time so that you also can gift, you know.
Sir, through the mail.
Yes. So goddess, major, Tani Bani.
Present. Sir, I forgot to press enter.
So major and goddess time is up.
Every time checking. Send, sir. Send.
Oh, so look here, goddess. Can you? I got a decimal point in the dividend. I'll put a decimal point in the question. Can you divide this 7?
Sir,
So I
no.
will put a 0. Can you divide 7 6?
Yes, sir.
So 6 fours are 64.
60.
Then I got 128. Then 6 eights are 16 eights are. All right.
Okay, sir.
Now let's say I have to divide 17 with 4. Then what will happen? 17 with 5. Then what will happen? So 5 threes are 15. Any doubts in this? My remainder will be 2. Guys, after the decimal point, I am free to put any number of zeros. Radhu, pay attention. After the decimal point, I am free to put any number. Tani Bani, Radhu, pay attention,
Sir, I'm
guys.
looking at the screen only.
I can put any number of zeros. I put 1 0. So then I can, fall down. It can fall down also. Then 5 fours are 20. So now 17 divided by 5, I have got the number in decimals. Complete mera number ho gaya. I did not get any remainder. I got my full number quotient in decimals. Understood? So let's
Yes,
give
sir.
you solve this. 33 divided by 5. So answer is 6.6. All right. Radhu, you need to send to ma'am, beta, not to
Sir,
me.
I sent it 2 times.
You send to me 140. So quotient is 141.8 divide by. So sign is divide by 5. Do it, guys. I will do 5 twos are 10. You men send your answer. I will get the remainder 4. 1 will fall down. 5 eights are 40. 1 will be my remainder. Then I got a decimal point in the dividend. I will put a decimal point in the quotient. And 8 will fall down. So 5 threes are 15. My remainder will be 3. Then what did I tell you? You can put a 0 after the decimal point. So this 0 will fall down and it will be 5 6 are 30. So Goddess, Azu Bhai, Kitu understood.
Yes, sir.
And you man, where is my answer? You ate my answer, you man.
Sir, I forgot to send.
Why?
Sir, it was left. I sent it, I thought.
Okay. Now next question. Let's say we have to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. So I repeat decimal number by a decimal number like 0.288 divide by 0.9. Then what will I do? So this is not possible. I cannot divide a decimal number with a decimal number. So I will have to use a trick. So the trick is first I will write it in the fraction form. Then I will multiply with something to convert the denominator into a whole number. So with which number will I multiply?
2.
2. Then it will become 1.8.
Sir, it's a whole number only.
1.8 is not a whole number.
10.
Sir, 10. 10.
10. I'll multiply with 10. So I will get 2.88 divided by 9. Now I can divide normally because I got a whole number in the denominator. So here it's 9. So I will put a decimal number at the top. 28 I can divide. 9 threes are 27. 1 will be my remainder. 8 will fall down. 9 twos are 18. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, whenever you have to divide by a decimal number, first you will have to convert into a whole number. Okay? You will always divide by a whole number. You will always divide by a whole number. It is possible that the dividend is a whole number. It is, but your divisor always has to be a whole number. It is possible that Aganya do not wear specs someday, but डिवाइजर को तो होल नंबर होना ही पड़ेगा. Do it, guys. So if you get all questions right in the next few classes, I will promise some gold out of Princess Wall.
Sir, do we have to do this?
Yes, no, beta. We have to just keep it seeing this question. When I was explaining the question, Veda was turned off his video and went somewhere, and we have the result on our hands. So many cross. I will do the first step.
Sir, can we go to washroom? Sir, I'm doing it.
So 1.32 divided by 0.8. I am just doing the first step. I will multiply by 10 by 10. This will change into 13.2 because whichever number I multiply in the denominator, I have to multiply in the numerator also. So this will change
Oh
into
no.
0.2 divided by 8. So what I will do is I will give a break, and those who have not done the question, they can complete the question and we'll check after the break. Okay. Those, everyone come back. Adhiraj and Tanaisha. Adhiraj beta, why you did not try again? Tanaisha, why you did not try the question
Sir,
again?
after I sent it, I went to the washroom. I didn't see.
Adhiraj, why you did not try the question again? Mr. Adhiraj, I'm talking to you.
Sir, I forgot to do.
Beta, don't do like this, Adhiraj. Okay, you are a good boy. Don't do like that.
Okay.
So it's 8. You guys will solve it yourself. I'm not going to solve it. Next question. Adhiraj and beta Tanaisha, आप solve करोगे तब जाओगे आज आप. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
And beta, don't repeat this thing again, both of you. When I give break, I ask you to do a question. It must be done. Adhiraj and Tanaisha, send the first answer also to me and the second answer also. You man, keep on unmute.
Sir, I just came back. What are we doing?
I have given the next question. I have given the next question. 18.369 divided by 0.09. अधिराज एंड तनायशा, पहले आप फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, फिर सेकंड पे जाना.
Sir, I have sent to you.
ओके. Major, it's wrong. Look here. So firstly, I multiplied with 10 by 10. I got 13.2 by 8. Then 8 ones are 8. 5 will be my remainder. Because there is a decimal point in the dividend, I will put a decimal point in the quotient. Major, when I am explaining to you, you need to keep your mic on. Then 2 will fall down. 8 6 are 48. My remainder will be 4. As I already told you, zeros are free after the decimal. So I'll put one more 0. 8 5s are 40. Do we understand, Major?
Yes, sir.
Next question, kids. So, warrior, in this second question, by which number will I multiply?
Sir, 100.
Yes, we'll multiply by 100. So, I'm doing the first step, 18.369 divide by 0.09. So, we will multiply by 100 by 100. So, then the question should be very easy, beta. 1836.9 divided by 9.
Sir, shouldn't there be no decimal point?
No, beta, when I multiply by 100, my numerator point, decimal points will be shifted by 2 places on the right. So it becomes 1836.9. And my denominator also gets 2 places shift, so it becomes a whole number. Because my purpose is to make the denominator a whole number.
Okay, sir. Sir, I thought we had to shift 2 places to the left, not right.
No, beta, we are multiplying. When we multiply by 10, 100,000, we make the number bigger. So we shift decimal places to the right. Princess, what mistake did you do?
Sir, when I multiplied, I wrote the answer 1839.6.
Why?
Sir, accident.
Beta, if you do like this, you will not get a driving license. Can we divide 3 with 9? No, so I'll put a 0. 6 will fall down. 9 fours are 36. Decimal point in the dividend, decimal point in the quotient. 9 ones are 9. So Kitu understood? Miss Kitu understood?
Yes, yes, sir.
To show me your work.
Sir, can I send a picture?
Yes. Major, show me your work. One second, Major, I'm pinning you. अच्छा, you did a very silly mistake, Major. Last digit में देखो mistake है. Kitu, where is the picture?
Sir, I sent it.
Send me. Let me check. You made a mistake in the subtraction. So first of all, it will change into 144.3 and this will change into 6 because I will multiply by 1000. So everyone understood this? Azubai, you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So then 6 twos are 12. The remainder will be 2 kitten, not 4. यहीं पे mistake कर दी आपने. This is a subtraction mistake. So 6 fours are 24. Now a decimal in the dividend, so a decimal in the quotient. So 3 will fall down. So can I divide this 3? No. So I will put a 0. Then I will bring another 0. So 6 fives are 30.
Sir, I forgot to add the 0 before 5.
Yes. All right, guys. So we have done division. We can do some questions from the prep guide. Where is my prep guide? Here. You will get division by a decimal number probably in grade 6 or 7. I think in grade 7. But you know it already.
Really?
Yeah, really. So I think these 5 questions we did, correct? Yes or no?
No, sir.
I think we did these 5 questions long time back. We did not do them.
Sir, we did them.
We did them. We did. We did.
So now you will do these. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. So remember, to compare decimal numbers, we have to make them into like decimals. Ramya, we have forgotten. Annie and Princess and Goddess.
So set.
So Aganya, beta, what is the place value of 7?
Sir, 7,
Uh,
7 by 10.
Kitu,
Oh,
what
wait,
is the
sir.
place?
Sir, I realized, sir.
Kitu, what is the place value of 7?
Sir, 70.
70. So kids, after decimal, मेरी जो place value होती है, this is the tenths place. Tenths. This is the hundredths place. याद आया guys? अगन्या आपने तो
Yes.
grade 4 में भी पढ़ा था. This is the
Yes,
thousandths
sir.
place. Thousandths. Tens को हम और कैसे कहते हैं? 3/10
Sir,
और
I,
0.3.
sir,
Hundredths
I
को हम और
realized,
कैसे
sir.
करते हैं? 7/100 और 0.07. Thousands को it is 8 thousands actually. 8 thousands को how will I write? 8/1000 or 0.008. याद आ गया किट्टू एंड अगन्या?
Sir, I got confused once.
And this is 1234/8, which is 1/2. 1/2 is always 0.5. अगर आप भूल जाओ तो 5 into 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. 1/2 into 5/5, you will get 5/10, which is equal to 0.5. Now तो you know division also, आप divide भी कर सकते हो. 1 divided by 2. First put a decimal, 0 लगा दिया आपने. Then 2 5s are 10. You can do division, you can do multiply by 5, or you can remember 1/2 is 0.5. There are few conversions that you must remember. 1/2 is 0.5. 1/4 is 0.25. 1/5 is 0.2. 3/4 is 0.75. So please note them down. All right. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए guys. Fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction. Have you noted it down? Last question, Princess K2 Warrior. Beta,
Sir,
what's...
descending instead of ascending.
So K2 and Warrior, आपने क्या किया?
Sir, descending.
Sir, the opposite of the answer.
So it will be 5.200, 5.020, and 5.002. Of course, 5.002 is the smallest, then 0.020, then this one. So convert them into like, then only do the comparison. Understood? So, okay, kids, we'll resume in the next class. Then bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
kids. Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.